2006 Subaru Impreza P0304 cylinder 4 misfire. Way down here, that gray, is the coil packet to try to get out. So I couldn't find a better way to get at it, so I'm taking out the battery, take out that coil pack, and then get to the rear one. Intercooler's got to come off looking at the throttle body.
To get it as far off as possible. There we go.
Intercooler is off, and there is our throttle body. Taking off the throttle body. Throttle body off, a little bit of oil, and there's a bit of a carbon ring around the throttle body, so we're going to clean that up. When reinstalling your intercooler and throttle body, please make sure you get this boost tube, your silicone coupler installed. Tighten that clamp down first. If not, it's going to be buggered to get to. Do not tighten these up. Then snug up your intercooler bracket, bolts. There's 4 of them. Lastly, you snug up your throttle body clamps. There's 2 of them. Your blow-off valve bolt, make sure the gasket's installed. Once everything is firm and connected, make sure your electrical connections are sorted out. Battery is connected and you're good to go. P0304 sorted out.